Okay, sir. Automatic payment token configuration. Automatic payment program configuration. SPRO IMG path రాసుకోండి సార్. SPRO IMG financial accounting new. Account receivables and payables. Account receivables and payables. Business transactions, outgoing payments, automatic outgoing payments. Automatic outgoing payments. Payment method by bank selection for payment program. So here we are going to define all these things one by one. So for all these things, it will be available in single transaction code is FBZP. Let me check. Payment blocks, we have defined it manually. I have expanded from payment terms. During the time payment block and payment method both. That time I have explained, right? Payment blocks, how to create payment block. Yes or no, sir? Created, no? So this one I've shown you, I think. A, B, C, D, this one. Okay, we'll do this. No issues. Last one. Path రాసుకున్నారు సార్. T code FBZP. Transaction code FBZP. Transaction code FBZP. Transaction code FBZP. So I'm going with T code. So either you can go with all these transactions, all company codes, then paying company code, payment method per country, payment method in company code, then bank determination. So before that, you need to define your house bank that is available in bank configuration. Okay. So these are the first 5 steps which is available in sequence. You can create here or you can create from your FBZP also. Both are going to be the same. Okay. Let me go to here. You are going to define your house bank. This is your 6th step. In your FBZP, yesterday I have explained, right? So you are having here 5 steps, and the 6th one is here, house bank definitions. Okay. Now this house bank in S4, it is a master data. In ECC, it is transport. Okay. Let me go to FBZP. FBZP. Yeah, Step 1, all company codes. Step 1, all company codes. All company codes. Step 1, all company codes. Step 1, all company codes. Okay. Just ask one, sir. Click on inventories. Click on inventories. Give your company code, RI, LT. Pending company also RI, LT. Paying company code also I am giving RI, LT. Paying company code is mandatory, you need to give. Whether you are going to use the same bank account as paying company code or another company code as paying company code. You need to give this one. Yes, sir. Last one. Remaining things, all these tolerance days, payment with cash discounts, all these things we will see it in our scenario, sir. Everything will cover. No worries on it. Save. Okay. Save. Sir. Simple note రాసుకోండి. In this step, in this step, we will define. In this step, we will define the sending company code, in this step, we will define the sending company code in bracket invoice company code. And paying company code. And paying company code. Along with we also maintain tolerance days, comma, tolerance days, comma, maximum cash discounts allowed, maximum cash discounts allowed, and also we will control, and also we will control the special GL transactions, through APP. And also we will control the special GL transactions through APP. Special GL transactions through APP. Okay. So the special GL transactions, the cash discounts, we will see it in our scenario case, so that you will get understand what is the purpose and how it is working. If I maintain now and I am executing a payment, you don't know how it is going to work. So I will take a scenario and I will explain how it is going to work. What is the impact of it? Okay. Next one. Second one, paying company codes. Define paying company code. Sir, FBZB, this configuration you need to be very familiar. If somebody wake up you from sleep and asking you, please explain APP config. We are in a position to explain each and every field. It is a mandatory interview question. Okay? Yeah. Paying company codes. Click on paying company codes. Click on inventories. Maintain RILP. So here you need to maintain mandatorily the paying company code. Whether you are going to maintain your company code or not, that is secondary. So in your all company codes, what you maintain, paying company code is mandatory. It might be the same company code or it may differ. In our training I am taking, both sending company and paying company code is same. If it is a business case, there you may have your regular company code and your head office company code, and your payments is happening from head office company code. So what you need to define in such cases? You need to define your head office, because the payment is happening from head office. That is the way it is. Okay. That means we can say it as alternative company code for payments. Instead of your one company code, the other company code is paying the payments. So you need to do the configuration here, which company code is actually doing the payments. That is what you need to define here. Clear, sir? Okay. Last one is paying company code, RILT. Minimum amount for incoming payment.
సార్ ఒక చిన్న డౌట్ సార్.
చెప్పండమ్మా.
సార్ ఇప్పుడు మినిమం ఇన్కమింగ్ పేమెంట్ కి అవుట్ గోయింగ్ పేమెంట్ కి 1 తీసుకోవచ్చు సార్, డిఫరెంట్ తీసుకోవచ్చా?
You can give. This is minimum amount.
Okay.
APP for how much amount you want to execute. APP for how much amount you want to execute. I am executing, if it is 1 rupee also I am going with APP. If you maintain 100 means, if your amount is 100, then only it will trigger APP. If it is below 100 means it won't. Okay, you can maintain no issue, whatever the amount.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, save. You can write down, sir, 1 or 100, no issues. Anything is fine, sir. The meaning of this one is, whatever the amount you are maintaining here, if your total invoice amount or payment amount is more than this, then it will go through APP. If it is less than this, it won't go to APP. You need to do manual payments, or you need to wait for till it reaches to 100. How we have done the dunning concept, same. Okay, clear, sir? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, save. Okay. Next one. Payment method in country. Next one is payment method in country. Payment method in country. Payment method in country. Click on inventories. Sir, here I am having vacant of JKL. I will use J. Click on inventories. Country IN, payment method J. Outgoing payment. Right now I am doing with bank transfers. Later I will extend check printing. Or you can take check printing also, no issues. But I will execute first the basic scenario, sir. Later I will go with check printing scenarios. First I will go the payment run through APP. That's it. Okay. Check printing. You can select post office. No, not required. Post office. Okay, take it one. So then you need to maintain in your company code these details. So select only this one, sir. State PO details, bank details, and here we will give the document type also. Rasko. Document type I am giving ZP. It is there. Taking ZP and ZB, sir. We'll see what is document type ZP and ZB, and we'll see its number ranges, everything. Okay. I'm going to differentiate your payment document and clearing document. Both you will see it automatically. Hello. చెప్పండి సార్. అవునవును సార్ చెప్పండి. ఒక్క నిమిషం సార్, మీరు ఇప్పుడు ఎక్కడున్నారు? ఎస్ సార్, రాసుకోండి. ఓకే, రాసుకున్నారు సార్. You select here bank account required. Shift code is required. Write down the program also. This is check printing program which is available in demo system. In real time, we will copy this program and we will do changes as per our requirement as a new program. Okay. Save. So right now I'm not maintaining any currencies allowed or the destinations allowed. These things I'm not doing anything. We will do it these things also in scenario. Till here clear, sir? Okay. So now just observation, Raskan sir. Observation of document type ZP and ZB. Observation of document types ZP and ZB. Okay. Save. Go to OBA7. Go to OBA7. Go to T code OBA7. Go to T code OBA7. Go to T code OBA7. Okay. Position. Document type ZP. Double click on ZP. Just observe your reversal document type number range. General number range.
సార్
Yes, sir.
సార్ డాక్యుమెంట్ టైప్ జెడ్పీనే ఉంది, రివర్స్ డాక్యుమెంట్ టైప్ కూడా జెడ్పీనే సార్.
It's up to you, sir. You can use the same. You can use same voucher. You can use same voucher book for your entry and your reversal also. That means let us assume you are just running a shop, you are giving a bill, somebody came and they want to return. You can use the same series. Your invoice is 101, your return document is 102. You can do that one, right? Same here in system also, which is possible. Anything we can do it. The continuous number range it will take. Even AB also, you are not only taking only for SA, you are using for different document types. So that means it will take its continuous number range, continuous series, voucher series. That is the way it is. Okay, just your observation, sir. So in real time, if required, you can define a new document type. Mostly we'll use ZP only, sir, both. And one more is ZB, right? ZB, general postings I mentioned. You can see here ZB, number range 88. Reversal document type here also I'm using AB. It is possible. Clear, sir? And now I'm using the same ZB document in my clearing document for APP time. Negative posting, intercompany, all those things. Okay. Just observation, sir. So while doing your practice, you do take JP document, both clearing and payment also. Real time also we will use JP document type. Okay. So at payment method at country level, what and all things we are defining, sir? Interview question. We are defining whether it is outgoing or incoming, check or transfers. Then what is my document type and what is my payment medium, whether it is a program or it is a file format. That is what you are going to maintain majorly. Okay. Last one, sir. Yeah. Payment method at country level. Payment method at country level. We will control payment method at country level. We will control. Will control. Will control. Will control whether it is incoming or outgoing payment. Incoming and outgoing, and also classification of payment medium, and also classification of payment medium, classification of payment medium like bank transfer or check, like bank transfer or check, and also it controls and also it controls payment medium, and also it controls payment medium. Does it a program? Does it going to be program in bracket all the printing related, all the printing related? Does it be a program or file format? Does it be a program or file format? Program or file format. Against file format with bracket, text file or XML file, text file or XML file, etc. Okay, sir, clear? Save. Okay. And next point. It also controls. It also controls what currency payments to be allowed, what currency payments to be allowed, what currency payments to be allowed, and also the permitted destination countries, and also the permitted destination countries, and also the permitted destination countries in bracket vendor country, bracket vendor country. Okay, clear sir this one? Next one. Payment method in company code. Next one is payment method in company code. Next one is payment method in company code. Payment method in company code. So click on inventories. Click on inventory. Give your company code, RILT, payment method J. Give minimum amount as 1, maximum amount as all lines. I will take these things in scenarios, sir. All these check boxes, everything, we will see it in scenarios. Okay. Just for typing, you take the basic information. Okay. Save. Okay. రాసుకోండి sir note. In this step, we will maintain minimum and maximum amounts. We will maintain minimum and maximum amount limits. And also controls. And also controls grouping of items. Grouping of items. Grouping of items for summarized payments. Grouping of items for summarized payments. And also controls. And also controls foreign currency foreign currency payments, with respect to local vendors or foreign business partners or foreign vendors. With respect to local vendors, or foreign vendors. At company code level. This is specific to company code, sir. Each company code it will differ. But your payment method at country level, not specific to company code. It will apply for all the company codes, payment method. But this one is applicable only at company code level. That is the difference. Okay. Next one, Ras. Next one. House bank. Next one. Bank determination, we'll do it last one, sir. Next one is you define it as house bank. Define house banks. Define house bank. No trust concern. House bank is master data in S4. House bank is master data in S4. House bank is a master data in S4. In ECC, it is transport request. In ECC, it is transport request. Transport request means nothing but what, sir? Configuration. Next point. House bank means the main bank account for company code. House bank means the main bank account for company code. House bank means the main bank account for company code. Okay. So enter your questions, sir. What is house bank? What is house bank means? The main bank account for company code is your house bank. Click on house bank. Give your company code. So you can see, sir, it is at company code level, your house bank. Give your company code RILT. Enter. Okay. So as of now, we don't have any house banks. We are going to create. Okay. Click on new entries. I'm going to create some HDFC, H, Hyderabad, HDFC, H, Bank, IN. And click on create. So if you click on create, then system will request your address, SWIFT code, everything for this bank. Your bank is nothing but your SWIFT code or IFSC code. Okay. Click on create. Click on create. Give your bank name. FC Bank. Region 01. If it is a postal bank, then we will select this one, sir. If it is not a postal bank, we won't select this one. So nowadays we are able to create our bank accounts in post offices. So that is the case it is. This is just address, sir. You can give anything, no issues. Click on continue. Click on continue. Okay. Yeah, here also you give your bank key. Same HDFC, all the same. Enter. Save. Give it before you create this one. Bank key. Give it before you are creating. That means initially you give country IN, then immediately you give bank key, then followed by click on create. Save. Same address. Save. Give first the bank key, then followed by you click on create and provide your address.
Sir,
Save. Yes.
bank key means bank account number.
No. It's like your IFSC code or SWIFT code or
Okay.
what to say, if you are
IFSC
doing
code.
some foreign payments, then there is one more code is there. I'm not remember. So that is what the code. It's like SWIFT code. Okay.
ఇక్కడ బ్యాంక్ గ్రూప్ కూడా ఉంది కదా సార్
Bank.
గ్రూప్
Huh.
అంటే ఏంటిది
So let us assume you are having one or two accounts in the same bank. So in such cases, we will use this grouping.
అంటే ఇట్స్
Okay.
లైక్ కరెంట్ అకౌంట్ ఆర్ క్యాష్ క్రెడిట్ అట్లా మెయింటైన్ చేయడానికి సార్
Huh.
ఓకే కరెంట్ అకౌంట్స్ అన్ని ఒక గ్రూప్ క్యాష్ క్రెడిట్స్ అన్ని ఒక గ్రూప్
Okay, clear, sir. That means let's take HDFC. HDFC is a bank and it has different the sub companies like HDB Financial Services and also One more is there related to HDFC. Recently it got merged. HDFC Limited also. Okay. If you take those two, those are into same group. Then you will create a group code here. That means it is related to same group. In the same way, some cases your vendor account, he is also part of same group. Your house bank is HDFC and HDFC group is, let's take AB, and your vendor account also there. He is having his bank account in HDFC Limited or HDB. HDB is there right now also. So that is also HDFC related. So now all these things are related to same HDFC group. So within the group, we can do payments immediately also. So that is the cases we'll use this one. Very rarely it is going to be happen. Okay. If you want, we can use it, or else we can ignore it. I will try to generate one scenario if possible with this also. Okay. Okay, clear?
Clear, sir.
Okay. Then next one is click on bank accounts. So this is just your main bank address information only, this one. So now you are going to create your account. Click on bank accounts. Click on bank accounts. Click on new entries. Click on new entries. Click on new entries. You can give your bank account number. And say INR. Here this account ID is there, sir. Just observe here, then you can write down, sir. First observe. Here account ID. This account ID represents your account number. This account ID represents your account number of this house bank. Okay. So normally in real time, we will take last 5 digits as your account ID. Real time, we will do like that. If you want, you can use any 5-digit code. No issues. But how are we doing in real time means last 5 digits of your account, we are going to maintain it as account ID. Okay. Clear, sir? Yes. Okay.
సార్
చెప్పమ్మా.
సార్ మెయిన్ అకౌంట్ అంటే సబ్ అకౌంట్ అంటే ఇదేనా?
ఎస్ అమ్మా, వస్తున్నాను. ఇంకొక 1 వీక్ పడుతుంది, వెయిట్ చేయండి. విల్ గెట్ క్లియర్. లెట్ టేక్ 1 వీక్.
ఓకే సార్.
Okay. Now you are maintaining your bank account, but in SAP, whatever the balances, you are going to control through your what, sir? నీ బ్యాలెన్సెస్ ఎస్ఏపీలో దేని ద్వారా కంట్రోల్ చేస్తాం? GL account. Now, this is your bank account. How much amount is available in this bank account? How we will get to know in SAP system? You need to map this house bank to your GL account. So that is what this GL account option here. So I'm going to create a GL account and I'm going to maintain here. This GL account we are going to say it as house bank main GL account. Whatever the GL account you are maintaining at your account level, that GL account we are going to say bank account main GL. Okay. So what is the purpose of main GL and sub GL? Slowly will come up. Okay. Left side note, create GL account FS00. Left side note, create GL account FS00. FS00. Second half of the page, sir, in your continuous note or however familiar to you. I'm going to create in cash. I have all zeros 100. Cash by bank. Write down. Sir, this group account normally will create separately. We'll create separate GL account for this one also. But I'm not doing anything. Right now I'm using the existing one only. If you want, you can use it or you can ignore also, no issues. Okay, that's my answer. Yep. Go to control data tab. Alternative account, I'm removing it, sir. You guys know the concept. You can create one new alternative account and you can maintain here. The basic alternative account or country chart of account, which I have explained the concept in GL. You can create a separate account to it and you can use it. Line item display 001. Line item display 001. Create bank by interest. Give G001. Save. We can give relevant to cash flow. Select this relevant to cash flow. That means all the cash related GL accounts we will select normally relevant to cash flow. And even if you want, you can give your bank account, house bank account, account ID also here also, no issues. If I give here, automatically it will update in FI12, wherever I am defining my house bank. Okay, no issues. Enter, save. This planning level, it will come in FSCM, where we are having cash flow statements, incoming and outgoing cash flow statements, direct cash flow statement, indirect cash flow statements. Okay, so that is reporting point of view, cash management. So that place we will use this planning level. Okay, it is not required to us. Select relevant to cash flow and then save. Okay, I think I might have removed the country chart of group chart of accounts. Operation chart of account, I may have removed the group chart of account. That is the reason. Okay, no issues. That is not an error, sir. Okay. Save. You know it, sir, how to maintain group chart, group GL account, country GL account. You know the concept of it. If you are maintaining properly, then that is not an issue. You are aware of it. Okay. Maintain the GL account in your FI12. Maintain the GL account. Go back to house bank and maintain GL account. Go back to house bank. Go back to house bank. Okay, save. Transport IBAN? No. Okay. So IBAN means international bank account. Sometimes they will use your IBAN, nothing but sometimes your bank account followed by your IFSC code or SWIFT code. Simply it is first they will give SWIFT code and then followed by your bank account. That is what they will say it as IBAN number. It depends upon case to case. It is purely business will provide the data. Okay. Even account number, all these details, everything will provided by business only, sir. For our training purpose, we are maintaining our own language. But in real time, it will provided by business only. Account number or the GL account respect to GL account, shift codes, address, everything will be provided by business only. Okay. Save. In these cases are not defined. Yeah, here, sir, you can observe. Okay. This is your account number, alternative account number also they are maintaining same, and they are giving the currency code, this one, and respective country, bank, everything. Whatever we have different same. This is screenshot, sir. It's almost same. Okay, clear, sir? Mostly it is going to be same, but this information they will provide. HSBC, Hong Kong, and Shanghai Banking Corporation. That is their bank name. For our training, we are using some ABCD. That is the difference. Okay. This is just I'm maintaining account number. Here they are providing the respective names which they are receiving from business. From day one onwards, I'm saying description. For our own purpose, I'm using simple. But in real time, that one also will be provided by business. Clear, sir, now? Yes, sir? Yeah. Yeah, CURL. They are taking CURL. It's up to them. Most of the cases will take last 5 digits, sir. 95%. Very rare case. This one also business will say. Normally, once you do configuration, you will provide the data to them. If he's happy, then you will approve it business side. If he's not approved, just change the account ID. Then you need to come back and you need to change it. Configuration. Okay. Clear, sir, this one? Save. Now I have created only one account. First, we will go with ranking order also with one account, and then we will do the payment. APP run, we will do it with single house bank. Slowly, we will increase our house banks. Then we will come up with our scenarios also. Okay. At a time, if I create 4, 5, then getting some confusion. We will go with first the basic scenario. Understand the AP automatic payment. Then slowly we'll go over with our multiple scenarios with multiple cases. Next, define bank determination. Define bank determination. Define bank determination. Okay, just ask sir. In this step, we will define. In this step, we'll define ranking order of the house bank. Ranking order of the house bank. Ranking order of the house bank with respect to ranking order of the house banks with respect to payment method and currency. With respect to payment method and currency. With respect to payment method and currency. Okay. Click on bank determination. Click on bank determination. Click on bank determination. Select company code RILT. Select company code RILT. Select company code RILT. Select company code RILT. Click on ranking order. Click on ranking order. Click on ranking order. Then next, click on inventories. What is your payment method, sir? J. And your ranking order, I am giving 1. And your house bank is HDFC H. Just write down. HDFC H. Save. Save. HDFC H and then save. Select the line. Click on bank accounts enhanced. Select the house bank line. Select the house bank line. Click on bank accounts enhanced. Click on bank accounts enhanced. Bank accounts enhanced. Click on inventories. Click on inventories. Click on inventories. So your house bank is HDFC H, payment method J, no currency, and ranking order 1. For account ID, whatever we have given. Okay, and here you are having sub account. And here you are having the sub account. For the first case, I am giving our main account itself. Later, I will give sub account and I will explain how the sub account will work. Okay. Whatever the account we are giving here, the same account will be used for your document posting. At the time of doing your payment document posting, during that time, whatever the GL account we are using, it is going to use the same. First, we will do one payment posting, and post that, I will explain how the GL account will work in terms of real time with BRS. Next, I will explain that one. I think initially at the time of explaining APP basic, I have explained APP basic, right, sir? Through AP, Miru, then followed by your vendor invoice, then post that you do payment. At the time of payment, if you are having outgoing GLs, how are we going to use outgoing GL accounts? And with BRS, how are we going to create? I have given the note also, sir, for everything. I don't know whether you have remember or not. Chadvara leda sir theory. Write down this one, sir. Then I will show you. Ever chadvale sir theory. Chadvale. Save. Okay. Clear, sir? Raskunar, sir. Online. Raskunar, sir. Online, please, someone.
రాసాం సార్. సార్ బ్యాంక్ సబ్ అకౌంట్ లో జిఎల్ నెంబర్ ఇచ్చామా సార్?
అవును సార్.
ఓకే.
This is your GL account only. So here in real time, we won't use main account. We will use sub accounts. For time being, I am using main account only. I will take sub account concept slowly in next cases. Okay.
Okay.
వేరు మీకు చెప్పాను సార్, అది సేవ్ చేసానో లేదా షీట్ గుర్తులేదు. This one, sir. AP, vendor master GL reconciliation account, purchase requisition, purchase order. Okay. Advance payment, advance entry, how it is, vendor and cash. Okay. At the time of goods received, at the time of invoice received. Okay. At the time of payment, if there is any prices in this one, at the time of payment, if you are using outgoing GL account, how it is going to be. If you are using main bank GL account, how it is be. This is the entries. These are the values. Here your outgoing GL account is there, right? This is what we are going to say it as sub GL account. This outgoing GL account only, we are going to say it as sub GL account. Okay? Or sub account. So right now I am not using sub account. I am using directly the bank main account. Okay? Slowly I will introduce the sub account and then we will do the postings also. And sub account concept we will use it in BRS majorly. We will see in BRS scenarios also. Clear, sir? So read down, sir, this one. I have given clarity, full note for this one also. Everything is interview questions, sir. Whatever I am explaining, everything is interview. Point of view, everything will come. Okay, till now, any doubts, sir? Configuration? Anybody having any doubt in terms of configuration?
No, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Next. Click on available amounts. Click on available amounts. Click on available amounts. Click on inventories. HDFCH account days currency. You write down, sir. Save. This is normally we will maintain maximum amount, sir, in terms of APP point of view, or you can maintain your bank balances also. No issues. Anything is fine. Normally we will maintain all 9 here. Okay. Save. This is basic FBZP configuration, sir. Tomorrow morning we'll create one vendor and we'll post one invoice, and against that invoice we will do payment, and we will see how the automatic payment will happen. And also we will post one invoice, and also we will post one incoming payment also, and we will try to see the clearing document also. Okay, both we will see. That means we will post one invoice and credit memo also same amount. Then system automatically clear those invoices. That also we will see it in tomorrow class. Okay, and then post that we will take up our APP scenarios one by one. Okay, sir. Clear, sir, online?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Yes. Anybody having any doubt till now? Okay, sir. Thank you. Sir, if anybody has not paid fees, please try to complete. So it is almost more than 2 to 3 months, sir, for both of them. Okay, please try to complete. Sir, thank you. Sir, if anybody has not paid fees, please try to complete. So it is almost more than 2 to 3 months, sir, for both. Sir, if